Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change currency in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So our current currency is rupees. Now you see RS. So we are going to change it. Now go to Wix dashboard. We are in setting, and then you see multiple option, and then scroll down. You see language and region. So click on it. Now you see multiple option, and then you see currency Pakistan rupees. Now select. So you can add according to requirement. You see all currency. If you want, you can select pound or dollar according to requirement. Now we select US dollar for product. Now select, got it. Now change and then click on save. Now setting saved. Go to website page and refresh the page. And then scroll down. You see currency change to US dollar. Now you see $85, $20. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.